A very warm welcome to Puan Nur Riza binti Mahmud. So today we're going to do present our problem-based task 2 for database administration DFP 40053. So what together with me, I'm Kishan Rao. Together with me is Darwin Danraj and Mohammad Ayman Hakim. So straight away we would like to go into the scenario that was given to us is the Oracle database has physical structure and logical structure. Because of the physical and logical structure are separated, DBA can manage their physical storage of data without affecting access to the logical data structure. User privilege provides a basic level of database security. There are two types of privileges included: system privilege and objective privilege. So Oracle Receiver Manager, that is RMAN, a command line tool, is the method preferred by the Oracle for efficiency backup and recovering your Oracle database. The backup mechanism work at the physical level to protect against file damage, such as the accidental deletion of a data file or the failure of a data disk drive. So as a DBA, so we and our partner, we will show the demonstration of managing Oracle database, Oracle 19c database. So we will go straight away into the first question, as the first question was as a DBA login as SQL plus sys, that is system, check and display the current database, display the information about current database table space in Oracle database. So as you all can see, the first method is to go into the system. To go into the system is sys as sysdba, because that's our username, and our password is 12345, and we have connected to successfully connected to Oracle database 19c enterprise. So to check on our database, so display the information about the current database, there are two methods. So the first one is select name from V database. As you all can see, the name is ORCL, or no, select star is all. So select all from global name. So as you all can see, global name is ORCL. So these are the two methods of to find the current database. So, and how do we set it into a proper method? So we will set page size to 150, column table space name format A30, column file name format A30, and select table space name, file name bytes 1024 MB from DBA data files. So as you all can see, these are the files that is available now inside our system user. So next, over to you.
Thank you, Kishan. Now we are going to see more about question 2. So it's basically display and view information about current data files in Oracle database. So to do that, we need to use data query language, which is basically select is a keyword. So select name, comma, file underscore, comma, status from v $data file. So as you have seen, data file are going to show the current data file. So we are using that as well. And when you see closely, you can see the name, files, has hashtag and status. The status such as system, online system, and so on stuff. And it continuously goes till 12 rows selected. So now I would like to pass it to Muhammad Ayman Hakim.
Okay, thank you, Darwin. So next, switch to pluggable database or RCL-PDB. Make sure that pluggable database is in open mode status. So we will use the alter session set container equal to our RCL-PDB command. Then select name, open mode from v$pdbs, and then alter pluggable database open. And lastly, we'll select name open mock from v$pdbs. So as you can see, the RCL-PDB is in the read write.
So the next part of it is to create user Scott and grant all privileges to it, then log into SQL plus Scott. So first we have to create user C hashtag Scott identified by Scott. So Scott and the password is Scott, and grant all privilege to C hashtag Scott. So, and then after that we can directly connect to Scott. So con C hashtag Scott slash password Scott. So as y'all can see, it is connected.
Okay, right now add Scott schema in your pluggable database or LCL PDB. As DBA, you need to install or unlock Scott. You can find scott.sql in the preferred location like DB home or DMS admin location. So follow the instruction on how to install, and there was a video link given by our lecturer. So we do it, and after it, I gonna go to my PC so that I can enter the location of DB home. Basically, I have installed in C drive, so I've entered it, and upon entering it, I locate the file DB home. So I would go into RDBMS and admin, and you can see various files of SQL available out there in the screenshot. So I would search for the Scott schema out there, and I would open. When I'm opening it, it's in a Word form. So as you can see, Scott identified by Scott would be there, and at the preferred line, I have changed SCOTT has been changed to SKOTT. In the notepad, the word Scott changed to Scott immediately by me by rewriting it through my keyboard. So basically, alter user SKOTT for tablespace users underscore, semicolon. Before it, the line we have to alter is also grant connect resource unlimited tablespace to Scott SKOT identified by SKOTT. So it's Scott, and after it I have stole, and after it alter user SKOTT temporary tablespace temp, which is there would be everything provided out there in the word. I've just change SCOTT to SKOTT, and to connect it, connect SKOTT/SKOTT. So the password has been changed to SKOTT as we have created it. And when saving it time, we just have to click save as and rename the file as SKOTT. Basically, it allows Scott SCOTT file to exist as well, and it opens a new file with the same commands with our changes made to it as skott.sql format. So after it, show PDBs to see what's the status of open, is it open or mounted, and so on. So we are going to see PDB seed is on read only, and ORCL PDB in read write. And after it, alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. So it shows session altered. And after it, show user. So it shows that we are in the user of Scott, SKOTT, hashtag. So as you can see, select username from all underscore users. So select is the query language, and you can see that Scott SKOTT is available under username, and right down there you can see hashtag SKOTT as well, and you can see that SCOTT is there as well, as we didn't alter it by deleting the file and so on. We just duplicate it with our major changes, so it does exist in there as well. So now over to you, Aiman.
Okay, thank you, Darwin. So we will display all user object in Scott schema. Identify the schema object by using the command add c where's the Scott SQL is located. So then you need to select username from all users. Next. So after that, you need to see there is Scott there, SKOTT, and then go to alter user Scott identified by Scott account unlock command. So it will show you an error which is insufficient privilege. But we will go to the next command, which is show user. It will show the user is Scott, SKOTT. So next, we'll select all from tab and select all from EMP. So as you can see, the select all from tab, you can see the depth, EMP and bonus and cell grade. And at the select all from EMP, you can see all the employees name and the all the job and the migrate and salary. So next, we'll go to command select object name, object type from user object to show all the object name that had been given in the SKOTT. So next will be Kishan.
So next is we need to do the changes by using RMAN tool, creating a multi-section backup of a database as image copies. So RMAN, how do we connect to RMAN directly? We can open command prompt and directly just press RMAN and it changes to RMAN. As you can see, it has to be changed as RMAN at the front. So you can see just now was SQL. Now we directly open through command prompt and change and type RMAN. It will just get connected. And we have to put as backup as copy. So backup as copy, and we have also have put in section size and the database. And as you all can see, the backup copy has been completed, and it also shows the date and time that has been we have done it. So as you all can see, it's 25th of December. So these are the shows that the backup is done as a copy, not as, we didn't delete and backup, but it's as a copy. So over to you, Erwin.
Okay, thank you, Kishan. Okay, let's move on to the question that given to us was list RMAN backups and copies. So we are going to see that various RMAN backups and copies that we have did before this, because as you can see, SQL can be deleted and so on. So we going to take backup as for safety purpose and so on stuff when we are in an emergency. Just Kishan have did it, and now we are going to see it. So list backup of database is the command. So there would be a created list in it, and you can see various of backup sets are available there with the completion time and the name together with it, and what is the location it stores, and time, date, and what is the backup type, and so on stuff at there. And followed by list copy of data file, because they have given that the command of copies as well. So list copy of data file 1,3 semicolon. So it shows the data file copies that I have done in it. As you can see, it shows the key together with the file and completion time. The completion time is 25 December 21, and together with the completion CKP time and sparse and so on right here. So back to you, Aiman.
Okay, thank you, Darwin. So we will display or show a summary of all RMAN backup. So by using the report schema command, you will see the report of database schema for database with DB unique name ORCL. So as you can see there, the list of permanent data file and also the list of temporary file. So you can see the table space system sysorg under to TBS1, PDB, asset and user. And then at the temporary file, you can see the TEMP, PDB asset, and also ORCL PDB. So back to you, Kishan.
Okay, thank you, Ayman. So, as you all can see now, the final question is to list backups of all files in database. As you all can see previously, we backup as a copy on a specific thing. This is all the database we're going to backup. So, how are we going to do that? Just put backup database, and all the database will be backed up. And as you all can see, its finish date is 25th, and it has been finished, and this is the proof of it as backup database. As you all can see, everything has been backed up, and these are to keep and safety of whatever is our documents will not be lost in any point of time. So that's all from us. Thank you. Myself, Kishan Rao, Mohammad Aiman, and Darwin Danraj. Thank you.